If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Pattern Stamp tool lets you paint a pattern into a selected layer. To use this tool, select it from the toolbox and the Tool Options bar. Then set the desired brush options and pattern within the Tool Options bar. Then click and drag in the image layer onto which to paint the selected pattern. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.